Have you ever thought what would advanced human civilization will be? Images like flying cars or robots might be popping up in your mind. Well, we can say, you are somewhat correct, but not at all. Imagine a scale that measures the technological prowess of civilizations, not just on Earth, but across the entire cosmos. What if I told you there's a way to classify how advanced a civilization can become based on its energy consumption? And what if I say we humans are not even closest to this yet? Surprised? This is the Kardashev Scale. And it might just blow your mind. The scale was originally designed in 1964 by the Russian astrophysicist Nikolai Kardashev, who was actually looking for signs of extraterrestrial life within cosmic signal, and therefore introduced this revolutionary concept. He proposed that civilizations could be categorized based on their energy usage, as well as the dimensions which they can control. Let's dive into the mind-bending possibilities of the Kardashev scale. Humanity. First, it is very important to note that the human race is not even on this scale yet. Now, where does humanity stand? We're currently around 0.73 on the Kardashev scale. We're not quite type 1, but we're inching closer with every technological leap. Since we still sustain our energy needs from plants and animals, here on Earth, we are a lowly type 0 civilization. We have a long way to go before being promoted to a type 1 civilization. Scientists tend to believe that, all things taken into consideration, we will reach type 1 in at least 100 to 200 years of time. But what does each of these categories actually stand for in literal terms? Type 1 civilization. A type 1 civilization can harness all the energy from its planet, requiring over 100,000 times our current energy production, enabling control over natural forces like volcanoes, weather, and earthquakes. In other words, they can control their own planet. It might sound like science fiction, but this is what a fully realized Type 1 civilization would achieve. This is what Type 1 civilizations can control. While this seems incredible, it's actually primitive compared to the capabilities of higher-ranked civilizations. These advanced societies can achieve feats far beyond our imagination. Type 2 civilization. A Type 2 civilization, or the stellar civilization, has control over all the energy available in its planetary system, or all the energy that its star emit. Basically, they can control the star. Several methods for this have been proposed, the most popular of which is the hypothetical Dyson sphere. This device, if you want to call it that, would encompass every single inch of the star, gathering most, if not all, of its energy output and transferring it to a planet for later use. What would this much energy mean for a species? Take, for instance, if humans survived long enough to reach this status, and a moon-sized object entered our solar system on a collision course with our little blue planet, would have the ability to vaporize it out of existence. Or if we had time, we could move our planet out of the way, completely dodging it. But let's say we didn't want to move Earth. Are there any other options? Well, yes, because we'd have the capability to move Jupiter, or another planet of our choice, into the way. Pretty cool, right? Type 3 civilization. A Type 3 civilization can harness energy, materials, and information from their entire galaxy, enabling intergalactic travel and communication. They can even avoid extinction by spreading across the galaxy, evolving into advanced beings or superintelligences. Humans might coexist with these AI entities or be replaced by them, potentially becoming pure energy beings. By now, various methods of instantaneous faster-than-light travel would have been employed, both for communication as well as mobility. So the Doraemon's anywhere door is actually possible. This civilization could literally even extract energy from supermassive black holes to meet their vast energy needs. Type 4 civilization. Kardashev believed a Type 4 civilization was too advanced and didn't go beyond Type 3 on his scale. He thought that, surely, this would be the extent of any species' ability. A Type 4 civilization harnesses the power of its own supercluster of galaxies, and eventually its universe of origin, and become effectively immortal. A civilization this advanced could tap into the mysterious dark matter and manipulate the basic fabric of space-time. Their capabilities may include instantaneous matter-energy transformation, teleportation, and even time travel. Type 5 civilization. Type 5. Yes, Type 5 might just be the next possible advancement to such a civilization. Here beings would be like gods, having the knowledge to manipulate the universe as they please. A Type 5 civilization would be advanced enough to escape their universe of origin and explore the multiverse. Such a civilization would have mastered technology to a point where they could simulate or build a custom universe. They will have mastered the new laws of physics and have almost complete control over the fabric of reality. So, where does this leave us? The Kardashev Scale is a fascinating way to ponder the future of humanity and the potential of extraterrestrial civilizations. It stretches our imagination and challenges us to think big. Could we ever reach Type 1, Type 2, or even Type 3? The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself.